Hello and welcome. Time to shine. 30 creative challenges coming up. What do we call the changes a plant goes through from seed to full plant? A cycle of growth. A plant journey. A plant life. The correct answer is a cycle of growth. Surprising trivia, a plant's life cycle shows how it grows from a tiny seed. Which insect starts as an egg then becomes a larva then a pupa? B. Ladybird. Spider. The correct answer is ladybird. Impress your friends with this fact: ladybirds go through a complete metamorphosis like butterflies. What is the purpose of flowers on a plant? To look pretty. To make seeds for new plants. To feed insects. The correct answer is to make seeds for new plants. Here's something cool: flowers are important for plants to reproduce and make seeds. Which part of a plant takes in water and nutrients from the soil? Leaves. Roots. Stem. The correct answer is roots. Here's a nugget of wisdom: roots anchor the plant and absorb water from the ground. What do we call animals that are born live and feed on their mother's milk? Birds. Fish. Mammals. The correct answer is mammals. Knowledge boost: mammals are warm-blooded animals that give birth to live young. What is the habitat of a polar bear? Desert. Rainforest. Arctic. The correct answer is Arctic. Let's learn something new: polar bears live in the cold, icy regions of the Arctic. Which of these is a way humans can harm habitats? Planting trees. Pollution. Recycling. The correct answer is pollution. Here's a nugget of wisdom: pollution can damage natural habitats for plants and animals. What gas do animals breathe and that plants give out? Carbon dioxide. Oxygen. Nitrogen. The correct answer is oxygen. Knowledge boost: plants make oxygen which animals need to breathe. Which human body system pumps blood around your body? Respiratory system. Circulatory system. Digestive system. The correct answer is circulatory system. Here's something cool: the circulatory system moves blood, oxygen, and nutrients throughout your body. What important substance does blood carry to all your body parts? Air. Water. Oxygen. The correct answer is oxygen. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Blood delivers oxygen and vital nutrients to every cell in your body. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood? Lungs, heart, stomach. The correct answer is heart. Fun fact, the heart is a strong muscle that pumps blood around the whole body. What is a healthy habit for a strong heart? Eating lots of sweets. Playing video games all day. Being active and exercising. The correct answer is being active and exercising. Let's learn something new. Regular physical activity keeps your heart strong and healthy. Why is drinking enough water important for your body? It makes you run faster. It helps your body work properly. It gives you superpowers. The correct answer is, it helps your body work properly. Knowledge boost. Water helps your body carry out many important functions like digestion. What is the name for the tiny tubes that carry blood to every cell? Big veins. Capillaries. Main arteries. The correct answer is capillaries. Here's something cool. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels reaching every part of your body. Which type of food gives you energy for playing and learning? Sweets, fruits and vegetables, crisps, the correct answer is fruits and vegetables. Impress your friends with this fact: fruits and vegetables provide essential vitamins and energy for daily activities. What happens to your bones as you grow from a baby to an adult? They get smaller. They grow longer and stronger. They disappear. The correct answer is, they grow longer and stronger. Let's learn something new. As you grow, your bones get bigger and stronger, supporting your body. What is the biggest change that happens to teenagers during puberty? They get sleepy. Their voices change. Their bodies change from child to adult. The correct answer is, their bodies change from child to adult. Here's an interesting fact: puberty is a time of major physical development for young people. Why is sleep important for humans? To watch more TV. To let your body and brain rest. To eat snacks. The correct answer is, to let your body and brain rest. Fun fact: sleep allows your body and brain to recover and grow. What is a simple way to stop germs from spreading? Sharing food. Sneezing openly. Washing hands often. The correct answer is, washing hands often. Impress your friends with this fact: frequent hand washing is key to preventing the spread of germs. What is the purpose of arteries in your circulatory system? To carry blood away from the heart. To carry blood to the heart. To clean blood. The correct answer is, to carry blood away from the heart. Let's learn something new. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from your heart to your body. What is the purpose of veins in your circulatory system? To carry blood away from the heart. To carry blood to the heart. To clean blood. The correct answer is, to carry blood to the heart. Did you know? Veins carry deoxygenated blood back to your heart. What do we call animals that eat only plants? Carnivores. Herbivores. Omnivores. The correct answer is herbivores. Let's learn something new. Herbivores are animals that consume only plants. What do we call animals that eat only meat? Herbivores. Carnivores. Omnivores. The correct answer is carnivores. Did you know? Carnivores are animals whose diet consists mainly of meat. What do we call animals that eat both plants and meat? Herbivores. Carnivores. Omnivores. The correct answer is omnivores. Did you know? Omnivores have a diet that includes both plants and animals. What is the process where pollen is carried from one flower to another? Growing. Pollination. Blooming. The correct answer is pollination. A quick fact for you, pollination helps plants make seeds in new plants. Which animals are often pollinators? Birds and bees. Spiders and snakes. Fish and frogs. The correct answer is birds and bees. Did you know? Birds and bees often help plants with pollination. What is the first stage of a human life cycle? Teenager. Baby. Child. The correct answer is baby. Impress your friends with this fact: the human life cycle begins at birth as a baby. What is the scientific name for the tiny living things like bacteria and viruses? Big creatures. Microorganisms. Giant beings. The correct answer is microorganisms. Let's learn something new. Microorganisms are tiny living things that can only be seen with a microscope. What does the word habitat mean in science? An animal's name. Where an animal naturally lives. A type of food. The correct answer is where an animal naturally lives. A quick fact for you: a habitat is the natural home or environment of an animal or plant. What is a food chain? A list of foods. How living things get energy from eating others. A type of cooking. The correct answer is, how living things get energy from eating others. A quick fact for you: a food chain shows how energy moves through an ecosystem by eating and being eaten. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.